Automated sales videos, they are the heart of Weezly. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you will create your first automated sales video. So let's get started. So once we inside Weezly here in automated videos, we can click create, and then we have the option to create a single automated video or unlimited. A single one meaning we are just creating one single automated video, or unlimited, basically we can create tens of thousands of automated sales videos. So let's start with the single one. Once we have clicked that, this icon or this link, a pop-up will open up, and then you will actually see three different icons here. And down below is actually the library of the videos that I have already recorded. So those video messages which I have recorded previously. So let's start with the recording AI voice cloning. The first one here is basically what you can do is record one video where you say, "Hi, strawberry." And what you can do then is upload this video message, and we will replace the word strawberry with the lead's name. So if you import a lead, for example, write his name Brandon, we will say, "Hi Brandon," with your voice and voice cloning. Pretty cool, pretty mind-blowing. The other one we have is record a video message, and this is basically a regular video message which doesn't have AI voice cloning. And the third one is maybe you have recorded something on your phone or somewhere else, and you can upload a video message. And here are the different video messages that I have previously recorded. This little icon showing that this is an AI video message. So basically we will replace the lead's name. And this one doesn't have this icon. So this means that it's a regular video message. And a small tip when you're recording these video messages is really when you want to reach out to someone is really to segment who do you want to reach out to. So for example, if you want to reach out to salespeople, make sure to mention something about the sales. So what you can do is, for example, say, "Hi, I see that you're working within sales." That will make the whole video more personalized. So here I'm using one video message that I'm going to use. And in this case, I'm going to enter a potential lead's or client's website. So there you can see I selected this video message. And in this case, I'm going to use a website that I want to reach out to someone, right? So it's going to get the preview, and now you will see that it's going to get the preview of this website. So there we go. So the video will actually look like this, but I can actually do more stuff. I can actually turn on the auto scroll, so it will make sure that the website is scrolling. So it looks like you're actually on the website and scrolling. And small tip, in my pitches, when I say something like this, and when I reach, sometimes I do like this. I put my face down and I say, "Hi, I'm currently scrolling through your website." So it looks like I'm actually on the website. All right, another thing we can add is captions. So this is inside the video here. So for example, if I'm gonna reach out to Nick at Hey Rich, I can just write, "Hi Nick," here. And what we can do is also add a video title. So maybe "Talk Nick." And this is also modifying my landing page. And remember the booking page where we can book meetings. So what we can do is add a booking page next to this video. So this will be all automatically done. So I'm reusing all my previously recorded video message. I entered the potential client's website, their name, custom message, and I added a booking page. So I just generated, and I'm just clicking create automated video. And in a few seconds, this video will be created. Great, so now this automated sales video, a single one, has been created. Here it is. So if I click on it, there it is. And let's preview it. So once I preview the video, it's gonna look like this. I put the talk Nick, hey, we have the captions, it's auto scrolling, here's the message I talked about before, and here is the booking page. And this has been all automatically done. And now this person can just watch this video and book a meeting with me. And how can I send this video? Very simple. Just go back to the video, and what you can do is copy the link, or what you can do is, if you want to send this in an email, just copy and paste, go to your email, hit Ctrl+V, and now it's going to insert this very nice GIF image, and then you can send this to this potential customer. That's it. We just created your first automated sales video on Weezly, and in other tutorials, we will talk about how you can generate tens of thousands of these and send them to potential customers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.